Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Candace if you are new here, and if you are a returning loyal subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in again. You are a real one. In today's video, I am going to be taking you through my vacation prep, maintenance, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to Costa Rica in 3 days. So today is Monday. I'm going on Thursday, and I decided to be a responsible adult and actually get a head start on getting my stuff together instead of waiting to the day before to try and like cram everything in. So I am starting off with getting my nails done, but before I do anything, I need to blow dry my hair. I just washed it because I'm getting a new hairstyle. I'm getting my hair braided, so I need to blow it out, and I also need to get my nails done. I need to get a wax and get my eyebrows done. So if y'all want to come along with me while I get myself together for this trip, then let's go. So to wash my hair, I use the Mizani Thermal Smooth shampoo and conditioner and the Mizani Moisture Fusion Intense moisturizing mask. Those are always the products that I use when I'm about to put heat on my hair. I'm getting braids, so my hair needs to be blown out, and you know they got all these stipulations. I can't put no product in my hair or nothing like that, so I'm about to blow it out. I use the Hot Shot Tools blow dryer and then a paddle brush to blow dry my hair. So let's get this over with. It's always something about that blowout before the protective style. Like, come on, get into it, get into the inches. So because I have other errands to run before I get my hair done, I'm gonna put it in like 2 braids so I kind of look presentable. So we're just gonna go down the middle right here like that right there.
Send me the location. This year about vacation, flight catching, train taking. Soon as the nigga off probation, your boyfriend's on a waiting thing, looking for one wish on a ring.
Okay, so we are braided down, and I'm gonna put this into a bun because this Florida heat, baby, it'll be a fro in 5 seconds. So I'm gonna put it up and get it off my neck so back there don't get all frizzy and curly and all that stuff. So I am ready to hit the road. It's time for nails. Y'all, look at my nails. That's not even the bad hand. Look at this. I had to cut these off because like they're lifting, and when my nails are this long, like I be hitting them and they get snagged on stuff, so I just cut them off. But my nails look so bad because I knew I had this trip coming up. I didn't want to get my nails done, so I'm 3 weeks out instead of 2 weeks out, because if I would have got them done last week, then they wouldn't have been fresh for this week. Sacrifices that you have to make when you have a vacation coming up. But I already have my inspo ready. Always like through the week, like make sure I save different styles, like nail designs that I see on Instagram and stuff like that I like, so then when it comes to get my nails done, I'm not like, you know, flustered trying to find something real quick. But I really like this. I'll probably get a different color, but this is what I am going for. So let's see if they can get it done.
On a waiting thing, looking for one wish on a Ray J thing. I prayed that girl, outrageous thing, but she can't see cause I got shades and thing. Bad girls wanna throw shade and thing, no shade, but shade is your foundation.
So these are my nails. I went with like a lavender and then this like bright green, just because I'm usually like super basic and I only get white, and I've been trying to switch it up a little, and I think these look really cute. Now I'm on my way to get my hair done. She actually texted me, thank goodness, telling me that she needed like 20 more minutes, so now I have time to stop and get some food. So I'm about to run into Golden Crust. This is literally the only thing that's close. Like, it's either Burger King or Golden Crust, and I'd rather at least eat some real food than fast food. But I'm really not really supposed to be having carbs like that, but you know, it is what it is. So I'm about to eat that real quick in the car because I literally only have like 20 more minutes to spare. and then I'll be getting my hair done. Yes, sir. All right, so I just pulled up, and I probably won't record while I'm in there just because people can sometimes be a little bit weird. I don't want to just be throwing people on camera. So I want you guys to take a good guess at what protective style I'm getting. Put it down in the comments. I'm giving y'all some time. It's something that I've never gotten before. I never get the same protective style twice. I don't know what's wrong with me. I just like to try different things. If I'm gonna spend that much money, spend that much time getting my hair done, I want it to be something new, something fresh. Try something new for once. So I'm about to go in and get started on my hair. So I'll see you guys in a second. Hey guys, so my hair is done, and it's actually the next day because after I got my hair done, I don't know, I just felt really tired. I didn't really feel like getting much else done, and also by the time I was done it was 7 p.m. and everything is closed anyway. So I just woke up and got me some breakfast, obviously Panera, because this is all I eat. And look at my hair, guys. So I got tribal braids or Fulani braids, and I'm gonna show you guys a better picture once I get home. They're like long. Actually, I might insert like a clip now, but they're long. I got them butt length, and they cost me a pretty penny. I think the total was $3.20 when I added butt length, but she had a promotion going on for new clients, so I got $40 off. So it kind of just balanced out, but took like, I got there at 3:20. She probably started at like 3:40, and I left there at like 7. So just like a little bit under 4 hours, which isn't bad. She moved really fast, but like my head was hurting. Like she was a little rough. And I'm not usually tender-headed, but I actually don't really get braids to the scalp that often. I got like some straight backs, but those are bigger, but like these small ones were taking me out. But overall, I think this style is really cute. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments. I haven't like put on any makeup yet to get like the full experience. You know, you gotta kind of, you know, get your whole face together, get your fit to see what it's really hitting on. So I'm actually gonna be going out later. Today's my sister's birthday. I'm gonna be going out later after I get all the rest of my errands done. So I'm gonna put on makeup and I'm gonna be dressed, and I'm really, you know, get to see what it looks like. So on today's agenda is European Wax Center. I'm actually sitting outside of it right now, and then I'm gonna go get my brows done by my brow girl that I found in South Florida. She is so good. So I'm about to run in here. I don't even have an appointment. I'm just about to hopefully hope they can like take me right now because my appointment is soon. So let's stop talking and try and secure an appointment.
Darkest grey, the shade I'm in. 49 more if your babes wants it. I had me a famous thing, goals and things.
Whew, okay, I got my Brazilian wax. I got a Brazilian wax and a stomach strip. I'm actually about to start lasering because I just really don't want to keep waxing. A lot of my friends say that lasering is where it's at. So once I finish my wax passes, I think I have like maybe 3 more left, I'm going to start lasering. So I'm going to be taking y'all on that journey too. But for now, we just got a Brazilian stomach strip, booty strip, you know, all, you know. Now I'm about to head to my wax girl. She's only about 15 minutes away. So let's go because these brows need a little bit of love.
So is this like a daily vlog or like life?
This is like a vacation prep vlog.
Oh, where are we going?
Costa Rica.
Okay.
Girls want to chase it's a status.
I don't know if you wanna plug yourself. I'm gonna put your ad name and everything.
Thank you very much. Hope to see you guys.
She's so great. If you're in the South Florida area, make sure you check her out.
Yes, Ami Threads. I hope to see you guys.
Y'all, I really love Amelia. She's really a good brow tech. I don't know what to really call her, but she's really good, and she's not just concerned about like getting your brows. Obviously she wants them to look nice, but she's really concerned about the health, the growth. And if there's something like from when I used to get my eyebrows just waxed when I would go get my nails done, just from like, you know, the Chinese nail salons or whatever, and they didn't really care, this one was like really thin and really bad, so she like leaves some like to allow it to grow back so I can have my full brow and it doesn't just go in and like match them up and like it gets skinnier and skinnier, because that's what could happen. But anywho, I just picked up a balloon and a card for my sister, and I'm about to go take her to get her nails done, and we're gonna go for some lunch because I said today is her birthday. She is 24 and my baby is growing up. So I'm about to sit in the car real quick and write her card and then just put some money in there because that's gonna be her gift for me this year. It's a lot going on, but yeah, I think I'm gonna come back when we're going out later so I can show y'all what my hair looks like and all that stuff. But yeah, hey cutie. I can't stand you. Hey Sam. Those shorts are cute. I go you those?
No.
Oh.
I put these cuts in there by myself.
Oh, period.
A little bit.
Oh, not the booty hole. I mean, not booty hole. The booty hole, the hold on the booty. Last minute, I decided to try and get some lashes put on. I never got no lashes put on. So I'm just gonna do like a strip with a little bit of like the individual ones. I'm scared right now. What are we giving? It's giving a little scary. It's in the in the camera is giving scary. Everybody say happy birthday, Kayla. Eight.
It's just the camera. It's just the camera.
So they don't do like legitimate individuals. It was we're just at a nail salon. So this is like a strip with like some of the little baby clusters. So I'm gonna wear it tonight, but I'm definitely taking these off. She's talking about it could last 10 days to 2 weeks, depending on how you take care of them. I'm like, how? But I was like, oh, you can wash your face. Oh no, water. So what am I supposed to do? Yeah, my bad, my camera died, but when I tell you I snatched these things out quick, fast, and in a hurry. I was already being optimistic. I know it's on me, but that was not it. So I made it to Costa Rica and I'm having such a great time. I was actually pretty prepared. I was a little bit nervous because it seems like it's so much to do when you're traveling, so much to get done before you have to get on the plane. But I am here and everything is so beautiful. So make sure you guys tune into my travel vlog. I'm also going to be doing a try-on haul because I actually didn't even try on my clothes before I packed them, so that's exciting. But thank you guys for watching this vlog and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.